Assalamualaikum and hello. I am Dr. Osman and a senior lecturer at the School of Electrical Engineering, Universiti Teknologi, Malaysia. Today, we had a short course on one-day MATLAB Workshop. In this workshop, students were exposed to the MATLAB software environment, which allows the student to do scientific and engineering programming. This allows them to solve engineering problems at an ease. Okay? With the hope of learning MATLAB, they will be able to complete their research and also their studies quickly, as MATLAB allows them to do programming easily. With MATLAB, you have the ability to do software simulation, programming, as well as representing complex engineering problems. The outcome of this research will allow the students to continue their research and projects and complete their work on time.
And I'm today happy to attend this MATLAB workshop organized by SPS, which was really very beneficial for the new beginners of using MATLAB, and it creates an opportunity for us to use this software in our research field.
Today I had the chance to attend a course organized by SPS, and I find it very full of knowledge, and I really learned a lot today. I wish that I had more time. I would encourage the others to join also, because I find that this course is very affordable compared to if we were to enroll ourselves outside, and it was really interesting. I'm surprised that we actually have experts in very specific field. So I'm very thankful to SPS and UTM because of this. Thank you.
What I like in this course, there are three things. First, the course tutor himself is well versed. He knows what he is doing, and he knows how he impart the knowledge to the trainers. Secondly, the environment is conducive, and the timing is good. The way the course were arranged is well coordinated, is very nice. And last, not the least, the entertainment, the food is very delicious. Thank you.